Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed and another Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the two different main timings that you'll find in the Foxtrot. That being said, the American Foxtrot is what we're focusing on today. So we have our basic timing or standard timing, which is 2 slows and 2 quicks. So for example, slow, slow, quick, quick is one variation. The other is called box timing, which is just 1 slow and 2 quicks, being slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now, if you want to get into numbers, starting out, each slow equals 2 beats, each quick equals 1 beat. So that means if we're using a basic timing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I use the followers basic, so you have a visual with that. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, with slow, slow, quick, quick, that's going to be slow, slow, quick, quick. Now, if I did a box step from the follower's perspective again, so you can see, using the rhythm first, going slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now, if I add some numbers, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you notice, if we do a full box step, which is 1 slow and 2 quicks, repeat it twice, it does complete an 8 count. So it's like a normal phrasing of the music. And if you use basic timing, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you'd start again on the 7, 8. So it doesn't always align perfectly with a 4/4 timing song. If you're comfortable with music, it's not gonna fill the bar of 8 like a normal. Other dances do, but it's still a very popular timing, and you actually start with that timing in the beginning. I hope that made sense. If it doesn't, be sure to comment a specific question below and we'll get to it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on a Foxtrot song, and then we're gonna do the basic a few times and then the box a few times, so you can hear me count it and see me dance it with the music, so you can get a better idea of what that looks like. All right, we're gonna start with the basic. 5, 6, ready, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Now changing up with our box. 5, 6, ready, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now I'm gonna alternate between basic timing and box timing. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So hopefully that helps. All right guys, I hope that gave you some help on the difference between those two timings. Make sure to watch this again and practice it with me so you get used to it. Like and subscribe here for more, and don't forget we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com, where we have all this content plus much more and completely ad-free. So go check that out, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.